Hello, little learners. Today, we are learning the long A sound. Long A says A. Can you say A? Great. Let's begin. Open syllable A. Baby. B. A. B. E. Baby. The baby is happy. Paper. P. A. P. Paper. I draw on paper. A-E words. Cake. K. A. K. Cake. I eat a cake. The silent E makes A say A. Name. N. A. M. Name. My name is Emily. A-I words. Rain. A. N. Rain. The rain is falling. Train. T. A. N. Train. The train is fast. A-Y words. Play. P. U. A. Play. I play with my friends. Day. D. A. Day. Today is a sunny day. E-A words. Steak. S. T. A. K. Steak. The steak is hot. Great. G. R. A. T. Great. It is a great day. E-Y words. They. Th. A. They. They play together. Gray. G. R. A. Gray. The cat is gray. E-I words. Vein. V. A. N. Vein. Blood flows in a vein. Beige. B. A. J. Beige. The wall is beige. E-I-G-H words. 8. A. T. 8. I have 8 apples. Wait. A. Weight. The weight is heavy. Amazing job! Now you know the long A family. See you next time.